Myself Subbarao Padga, and I am going to talk about pollution. Yeah, pollution, global warming, all this shit, uh, which is very bad these days. Even we have few rules in Delhi, I think so. Diesel car 8 years and petrol 5. Sorry, petrol for 8 and diesel for 10 years. After that, you can't use those cars. And electric cars is a good thing, but we make ion batteries. It's a pollution. Everything we do is related with pollution, but we can reduce it. Means with a radius of 5 kilometers, we can use a bicycle. Uh, of course, like it's nothing for to ride on a bicycle. To go to a shop beside your house, I mean, 2 or 3 houses is between or on the street beside street. You can use a cycle. It's easy to go on cycle if you ride it. It will be also a physical exercise for you. And yeah, pollution. I took few pictures when I am in my grandma home. Okay, I stuck there for approximately 2 months or 1 month. I didn't remember. My grandma got COVID. My mom and my sister. I'm the one spared. I'm lucky. Okay, I'm out of the topic. As I said, pollution. Yeah, now you will see those. As you seen, uh, uh, the complete village is letting their waste sewage to the canal. It's an agriculture canal. Okay, yeah, okay, it's an agriculture canal where people used to drink those water when I was not born. And now people are washing their clothes. uh, the all sewage, all the waste from the house is coming to this canal, and you can't even stay there for a few minutes. It smells like shit. Okay, but it's an agriculture canal. It's very sad. When I am a kid, when I go to my grandma house, maternal grandma's, it's a village, good one. My grandpa left approximately 2 cents of land for water to observe by the ground in his home. Yeah, they don't have any issue with the groundwater. They have hand pipe, motor, and everything. But there is no issue. We can drink the direct groundwater. It's very tasty. We need to buy water in cities. The groundwater is very not good. In my house, the water used to be good, but it changed. I don't know how it happens. I didn't do any research for it. Okay, so and now I will tell about plastic. We are using these plastics every time for everything is almost made of. Let's say this packet is made of plastic, which don't decomposing. Or these earphones after 1 or 2 years, there is no use of this. Then where will we'll throw it? We can't even recycle this. If we burn it, it will turn into black. I burned it for experiment, I think so. If you observe it, you can see I broke it, I burned it. Everything we use, this Rubik's cube, and let me search anything I have. This bottle of sanitizer, on my puffs. This is also fucking plastic which can't be recycled. It can be recycled. It's PT1, I think. Everything, and these pens, this Pentonic pen, everything is made of plastic. So it's hard, but we can decrease the use of plastic by not using plastic bags. We are using lot of plastic bags everywhere you go. There is one. I don't go there. I'm very lazy. There is one when you go for chicken, they will give plastic. It's better to take a steel box with you. He will butcher the chicken and he will give you your steel box. And it's better to carry. We are getting these sets of spoons, uh, steel spoons, which are good for environment friendly. And we can use, we have this 3 hours method: reduce, reuse, recycle. I think I didn't know the order, it came in class 10, I think so. It's also a good thing we can do. Yeah, means the plastic things we can, let's say you buy in Nutella. We in India it's very common. After the completion of that, we wear anything except hot things. If you use hot things, the plastic, uh, very small amount of plastic will dissolve, which is harmful in long term. Everything we use it. I use steel water bottles. So many use plastic water bottle, which is PET, and I think we can use cool drink bottles. They are also PET one. Every plastic drinking water bottle is PET one, which we buy outside. I think we can use for up to 5 times. I use steel cups. Everything most probably steel water bottle. Even we use those steel things most probably. Definitely, we will use the plastic every day. Let's say this mask. This is synthetic. I don't know which. These knobs plastic. Okay. This print is plastic. I think I don't know it will dissolve or not. I mean decompose or not. Uh, I bought this when I was a kid. I don't know why I bought this light. I just saw it online and I cried. My parents bought it. It's a fucking plastic. What not, everything is a plastic. The files we use, let me search for plastic. The stools we use, the chairs we use, see this, it's a fucking plastic. And what not, everything is plastic. And global warming, we need to, it's depend on completely on us. Decrease the use of cars, use public transport. It's not an ideal time to use public transport. Yeah, now COVID, there might be another outbreak in China. Flights are cancelled. Let's hope for the best for us, not for COVID. Thanks. I think you like the video, and I'm not good at editing, but I will try my level best to make it look good. Okay, bye.